students. I am Chaudhary Mushfiqur Rahman. Welcoming to my online classroom from Boiradak Bibhaga Secondary School. Dear students, hoping that you are all are well by the grace of Almighty Creator. And in this tough time, I would like to give you another presentation of my online class. Today, I am going to take a class for the students of class 6. And I am not declaring my class topics directly. So I am asking you to see my class and gauge what I am going to take. Look at the screen of the projector. Welcome to my class, and this is my welcome snap. So dear students, what is the picture about? Most of you will answer this is the picture of pyramid. And what is the picture about? And this is a picture of the Great Wall of China. Now guess what is the picture about? And this is a picture of Taj Mahal. So today our topic is Taj Mahal. So before starting my main topics, I would like to introduce you with some difficult word meanings or vocabularies that you may find difficult while going through the topics. So my first vocabulary is artisan. So what is the meanings of the word artisan? One who design. So the word artisan means one who design. Next word architect. So what is the meaning of the word architect? Architect means design. And my next word combine. So combine means mix or blend. That means you can mix something in a pot, and you have blender machines in your house that you will blend something, some ingredients, some spices, etc. And next, craftsman. So in the picture you are watching very nicely that craftsman means design, carver, who design on wood. So dear students, you know that Taj Mahal is made with white marble tomb. This is also called white marble tomb. That means in a day we can see it as white. Actually Taj Mahal is built with white stone. So you know Samrat Shah Jahan built Taj Mahal. This is the son of Shah Jahan, Shahabuddin Muhammad Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan was born on 5th January 1594. He was the 5th Mughal Emperor of India. He is also known as Shah Jahan I. So Shah Jahan assumed Mughal throne on 24th January 1620 Agra, a few days after the death of Jahangir. And Shah Jahan has left behind an extraordinary architectural legacy. It was his command that the Taj Mahal was built in Agra in memory of favorite wife Mumtaz Mahal. Now I am showing you another snap. This is the snap of Samrat Shah Jahan and Mumtaz. In keeping pace with the name of Mumtaz, the tomb is known as Mumtaz Mahal, and in short we call it Taj Mahal. This is the tomb of Mumtaz Mahal, and this is the tomb of Emperor Shah Jahan and his wife Mumtaz. And now we are seeing the different parts of Taj Mahal, the surroundings, the front area, side area. Actually the Taj has 1003 acres of or 405 acres hectares of land. A vast area. Taj Mahal is situated in a large area. The Mughal artistic beauty. Taj Mahal represents the artistic beauty of Mughal emperor in the age of era of Mughal. Next, this is another snap of Mughal architectural beauty. And Taj Mahal at moonlit night. Actually, we know Taj Mahal assumes different kinds of beauty at the different times of day. The most beautiful is at moonlit night. This is the snap of Taj Mahal at moonlit night. Now let us check another show. This is also a snap of Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal at sunny weather. So just before we have paused a snap of Taj Mahal in a moonlit night, and this is the picture of Taj Mahal in a sunny weather or at noon. Let us check another picture at evening. So Taj Mahal is pink golden at evening. Taj at dusk, that means combination of evening and night at dusk, the Taj look extraordinary beauty. So this is the snap of early construction of Taj, a huge construction work while going for long years, and this is snap of some early construction of Taj. This is another snap of early construction of Taj. People are doing lot of works for long years, and finally they are almost finished. Thousands of craftsmen and artisans built the Taj for 21 years. It took 21 years of thousands of artisans and craftsmen to finish the complete of the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal from front and from the river side. So from the river side one can see the exceptional beauty of the Taj Mahal. People visiting the Taj Mahal. And now I am going to give you some question evaluation. What is Taj Mahal? Where it is located? How did Shah Jahan love Mumtaz? Who built Taj Mahal? When did Mumtaz die? How many years did it take to build the Taj? Actually, from the discussion, we have already learned that Taj Mahal is a tomb of Mumtaz Mahal and symbol of love. It is one of the 7 most wonderful, important 7 wonders of the world. And where is it located? From the discussion, or if you go through your textbook, you will find that Taj Mahal is located in Agra and in India. How did Shah Jahan love Mumtaz? In a single word, I can explain that Shah Jahan loved Mumtaz profoundly, more than his own life. Who built Taj Mahal? Very simple question. Samrat Shah Jahan built Taj Mahal. And when did Mumtaz die? Mumtaz died very early stage, very young age. And for this reason, Samrat Shah Jahan built Taj Mahal. How many years did it take to build the Taj Mahal? We have already learned that it took 21 years to build the whole structure of the Taj Mahal. Now I am going to give you a homework. I will ask you from here to write down a paragraph about Taj Mahal, then you will be able to transform all kinds of information of Taj Mahal in your paragraph. And that's all for today. Thank you very much. And I hope the students of class 6, my class may not be very much attractive, but still can be very much effective if you watch my video class and go through my YouTube and Facebook, and if you go through the text, and if you fail to understand any point, don't feel hesitate to comment my class, or just give me a missed call to my cell number, then I will back you and I will help you. Thank you very much.